Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into OneDrive account right from your computer. Watch the tutorial till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. In order to log into your OneDrive account, open up a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box at the top, type in onedrive.live.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Microsoft. OneDrive is the Microsoft cloud service that connects you to all of your files. It lets you store and protect your files, share them with others, and so much more. From the official web page of Microsoft, go to the top right hand corner and click on the sign in button. To log into your OneDrive account, you'll need your Microsoft account's credentials. In the sign in area, go ahead and enter your Microsoft account's email, phone number, or Skype ID. I'm going to choose my email. Once you type it in, click the next button on the next field. Type in your Microsoft account's password and click the sign in button. Once you click on the sign in button, choose whether you'd like to stay signed in with your Microsoft account by clicking yes. But if you're using a public device or a shared device, click on no. Once you do that, you'll be able to find yourself logged into your OneDrive account. Once you're logged into your OneDrive account, you can store and protect all of your important files, share them with your friends, or access your files from any devices. That is how you can easily log into your OneDrive account right from your computer in a few simple steps. Hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.